Presenting Lapster 5-in-1 Multifunction Laptop Cleaning Brush. This keyboard cleaning kit is a simple key puller, which ensures that change of keycap is no longer laborious. These special selections of nylon brush have moderate softness and hardness, 3-row design with high pore strength, good elasticity, stiffness and compactness, more labor-saving friction. The flocking sponge can clean the dust in the wireless charging case of the earphone. The high-density brush can clean the dirt on the sound outlet hole of the earphone, and the metal pen tip can clean the stubborn dust. The 5-in-1 laptop cleaning brush kit comes with nylon bristles, flocking sponge, high-density brush, metal pen tip and keycap puller. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.